Hello friends, welcome to Mathematics. Today's topic is regarding class 10 CBSE, chapter number 1, real number. And in today's class, we are going to discuss the 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker questions. And that is the questions which has come in past year question paper in the CBSE board examination. So dear friends, let us start today's class. So the first question of 2 marker question is find the HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So dear friends, here we just wanted to write what are the factor of 6. So obviously we will be writing 2 into 3. It means here in this case we are going to find out the prime factorization of the number. Second question is 72 and here we are just going to find out 72. Here 2 will go, then 2 3 ja 6, 12, 2 6 ja. Here 2 will go, 18 will come. Here 2 will go, 9 will come. Again 3 will go, 3 comes. So here I just wanted to write that 2 to the power 3 because 2 has appeared 3 times and 3 to the power 2. And the last one is 120. So let me factorize. 2 will go, 60 is coming. 2 will go, 30 is coming. 2 will go, 15 is coming. Afterward 3 will go, 5 is coming. So, according to the question, 120 is all about 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So now our question is to find out the HCF and LCM. So at first we are going to calculate the HCF. So dear friends, here I just wanted to say that HCF means the common number with minimum power. The common number with minimum power. So what are the common number here? First common number is 2 multiply. What is another common number? 3. In two cases, what is the less power? Less power is 1 because here the less power is 1. Rest all are 3 and 3. So now what is the less power of 3? Obviously that is 1 only. So 3 to just 6 is the HCF of 672 and 120. So dear friends, now we are going to calculate the LCM. And in case of the LCM, we are going to write all the number with the highest power. So what are the numbers? The first one is 2, then second one is 3, then the next one is 5. The highest power of 2 is 3, the highest power of 3 is 2 and 5 is alone, so it is having the 1 power only. Now 2 to the power 3 it is equal to 8 multiply 3 to the power 2 means 3 3 is 9 multiply 5. So the correct answer is 9 8 ja 72 multiply 5. And the correct answer is 5 2 ja 10, 0 1, 7 5 ja 35 plus 1 become 360. So dear friends, I hope you have understood how to find out the HCF and LCM of the three numbers using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I just wanted to repeat once again that HCF is the common number with the low power and LCM means all the number along with the along with its highest power. Dear friends, I hope you have understood these all things. Now we are going to move forward to the next question. Now the next question is find the value of A if HCF of A comma 18 is equal to 2 and LCM of A comma 18 is equal to 36. So dear friends, here we just wanted to write that A is equal to A, that is the first number here. B is equal to 18. Afterward HCF is equal to 2 and LCM is equal to 36. That is already given in the questions. So we know that A into B is equal to HCF of A and B multiply LCM of A and B. So this is already known to every one of us because it is already discussed in the earlier classes. So now what is the value of the A? A is A. What is the value of the B? That is 18 is equal to HCF of A and B. What is that? 2 multiply. What is the LCM of A and B? That is 36. So here what is the value of A? A is all about 2 into 36. This 18 will come and divided here. So 18 1 ja 8, 18 2 ja 36. It means 2 2 ja 4. So dear friends, the value of the A is coming 4. The question was asking find the value of A where we got the answer. And dear friends, I hope you have understood this. Now the next question is, find the largest number that divides 2053 and 967 and leaves a remainder 5 and 7 respectively. So the answer is, what are the two numbers? The first number is 2053. What is the second number? 967. Here, the question is saying that it leaves a remainder 5. So, as the remainder is coming 5, so obviously I need to subtract 5 in both the cases. Here also, and here in the second cases, it is having the remainder 7. So, in this case, I am subtracting 7 as per the question paper. Why I am subtracting? Because if I will subtract, then the number appear will be completely divisible by the largest number. That's why. So let us calculate 13 minus 5. It become 8. Then 5 become 4. Then this become 2 0. That is as it is. Now 7 minus 7 becomes 0 and rest all thing will be as it is. Now the question is asking to find out the largest number which divide these all. So here the most important tips I just wanted to give you, that is whenever the question is asking regarding the largest, greatest, maximum, more, then in that case we have to find out the HCF of the number. And another one is, the question will be we have to calculate the LCM in case when it will be talking regarding the smallest, then few, then minimum. It means when it gives the image of the bigger one, that is a bigger one, then we have to calculate the HCF. And when it shows the less amount, then we have to calculate the LCM. So here the question is asking regarding the largest number. So obviously largest, it means we have to calculate the HCF here. Please note these all things because these all are most important clues, especially for this chapter. So we have to find out the HCF. So we have to find out the prime factorization. So the 2048 I am calculating. So 2 will go, 2 1 ja, 2 0 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. Here 2 will go, it become 512. 2 will go, 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 become 1, 2 5 ja 10, then 12, 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 will go, 2 1 ja, then 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja. Again 2 will go, 64 will come, 2 will go, 32 will come, 2 will go, 16 will come, 2 will go, 8 will come. Again 2 will go, 4 will come, 2 will go, 2 will come. It means here I just wanted to write that 2048 can be written as how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It means 2 to the power 11. Now the another one is 960. 960. Let us find the prime factorization. 2 will go, 2 4 ja 8, 16 2 8 ja 2 0 ja. 2 will go, 240. 2 will go, 120. 2 will go, 60. 2 will go, 30. 2 will go, 15, and then 3 will go, 5 is coming. So here in place of the 960 I will write 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times, multiply 3 and multiply 5. As the question is finding to calculate the HCF, then the HCF will be the common number, that is 2, with the lower power. So here the power is 11 and 6. So the lower power is 6 only. So dear friends, I hope you have understood how to calculate the HCF. And obviously HCF is 2 to the power 6. I hope the question is clearly understood by you. And the value of the 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 6, sorry, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, to the 32, to the 64. It means the HCF is equal to 64. So according to the question, we can say that the number 64 can divide 2053 and 967 and leaves a remainder 5 and 7 respectively. Dear friends, I hope you have understood this all. So the next question is, two numbers are in the ratio 21, ratio 17. So directly we can say that let the first number is equal to 21x and the second number is equal to 17x. And what are the factorization of it? 21x can be written as 3 into 7 into x. 17x can be written as 17 into x. Question is asking to find out the, sorry, question is discussing regarding the HCF also. So according to this factorization, what will be the HCF? The HCF is equal to the common number, that is x, because we know that HCF is the common number present in both the cases with the lower power. So according to this part, we can say that the HCF is equal to x. But according to the question, HCF is 5. So here, but HCF is equal to 5. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. From first and second, we got that x is equal to 5. It means again we will be writing the first number is equal to, what is that? 21x. 21x, that is what? 21 into 5. It means 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. The answer is 105. Now we are discussing regarding the second number, and that is regarding 17x. So 17 multiply 5 we have to calculate. So 7 5 is 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 become 8. It is coming 85. So the question is asking find the numbers. So we can say that the numbers are 105 and 85. Dear friend, it was so easy question. I hope you have understood this. Now move on to the next question. Can we have any natural number which is belongs to the natural number set where the 12 to the power n ends with the digit 0? So let us calculate the answer. So we know that the number ends with digit 0 must have 2 and 5 as a factor. So as I am discussing here that if any number we are calculating whose unit digit is 0, it must have 2 and 5 as a factor. Just for example, suppose 10 is the smallest number. 10 is the smallest number whose 2 and 5 are the factor. Then only it is having the 0. It means 10 is 2 multiply 5. Obviously 2 and 5, when there will be 2 and 5, then only it will be having 0 in the unit place. So these all we know. So here now we are targeting that the number is 12 to the power n. So what are the factor of 12? The factor of 12 are 2, 6 ja 12, and again 6 can be classified as 2, 3 ja. It means 12 do have 2 and 3 as a prime factor, but it gives 0 in unit place when it have 2 and 5. That's why we can say that 12 to the power n never ends with digit 0. Dear friend, I hope you have understood. Let me tell you once again. The number which is having the 2 and 5 as a factor only ends with the digit. Here I already have discussed, but the number 12 do have only 2 and 3 as a prime factor, and 2 and 3 as a prime factor, but 5 is missing there. That's why according to the rule we can say that it do not ends with 0 in for whatever the value of the n. So now dear friends, next question is find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify that HCF into LCM is equal to product of the given number. So directly question is asking to find out the HCF and LCM and then we can verify this formula. So the first number is 404. So let us find out the prime factorization. 2 will go, 202, again 2 will go, 101. Then the next question, next number is 96. Here 2 will go, 2 4 ja 8, 16 2 8 ja. Then 2 will go 24, 2 will go 12, 2 will go 6, 2 will go 3. So dear friends, here I just wanted to write that 404 is equal to 2 to the power 2 multiply 101. 96 is all about 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 multiply 3. So here now we are in the condition to verify the answers. Now we can say what is the LCM and what is the HCF. So at first we are calculating the HCF. In the earlier question I already have discussed that the HCF are the common number with the less power. So here the common number is 2 only and the less power is 2 only. So 2 to the power 2 become 4. And now the LCM is all about all the number with its highest power. So the numbers are 2 multiply 3 multiply 101. And the highest power it means 2 highest power is 5, 3 is alone, 101 is alone. So the LCM will be, we can say the LCM will be 9696. And now it's a time to verify all those. So the verification is all regarding the LCM. Sorry, LHS, that is left hand side, and the left hand side is all regarding HCF into LCM. So what is the HCF? The HCF is 4 multiply LCM is 9696. And dear friends, if you calculate that, the answer will be coming 38,784. Now we are calculating the RHS, right hand side, and right hand side is all regarding the product of the two number. It means A into B. So what is the A? It means first number, that is 404, and B is equal to 96. Dear friend, if you will be multiplying these both the number, answer will come 38784, which is same as the LHS. So here we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So dear friend, this is the sample answer by which you can copy this all procedure and you can find out the question which will be given it to you. Now move on to the next question. On a morning walk, three persons step up together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter, 45 centimeter. So what is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete step? So here we have to find out the word which determine to calculate the LCM or HCF. So dear friend, let me take you to the previous page. So here once again I just wanted to discuss largest, greatest, maximum, more, bigger. This kind of the question sense will tell us to calculate the HCF. Smallest, few, minimum and the less. This kind of the wording tell us to calculate the LCM. So the question is all regarding the minimum. And obviously the minimum, it means we have to calculate the LCM. It is already discussed and I already have repeated the same thing. Now what are the three numbers? The three numbers are 40, then 42 and then 45. Let me write same thing once again. 40 is equal to 42 is equal to and 45 is equal to. So what are the factorization? 2 will go 20, 2 will go 10, 2 will go 5. Here 2 will go 21, then 3 will go 7 is coming. Now 3 will go 15 is coming, then again 3 will go 5 is coming. So 40 can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiply 5. 42 is written as 2 into 3 into 7, and then the last one is 45, that is 3 to the power 2 multiply 5. And according to the question we have to calculate the LCM, that is the minimum distance to check the minimum distance. So dear friends, the LCM is all regarding all the numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. And now the highest power. So 2, the highest power is 3, the 3 highest power is 2, 5 is alone, so the power is 1, and 7 is also alone, so it is also 1. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, 3 to the power 2 is 9, then 7 5 is 35. So here dear friends, 9 8 is 72, multiply 35 and it gives the answer. The answer is 2520. So the question is saying that what is the minimum distance? So here we can say that the minimum distance is 2520 centimeter. The question is regarding the centimeter. That's why the answer also will come centimeter. Distance each should work so that they can cover the same distance in complete steps. So dear friends, now we are moving forward to the last question of the series. There are 576 boys and 448 girls in a school that are to be divided into equal section of either boys or girls alone. It means we have to find them separately. So the question is saying find the total number of the section thus formed. So here dear friends, in the earlier classes I already have discussed that when the maximum, more, bigger, this kind of the word will be there, then we have to calculate the HCF, and smaller, less, few, minimum, this kind of the word will be there, then we have to calculate the LCM. But in the question there is no sense of maximum or minimum directly given in the question, so we have to find out that what exactly it is asking. So dear friends, the boys and girls has to be divided into the equal section of either boys or the girls alone. So find the total number of the section. So it is a secondary question that we have to calculate the section, but the maximum, the main thing is that how many students will sit in each section so that it will form the exact section. So dear friends, the question is sensing that in each section we have to make them seat the largest number of the students in a particular section. So here, according to the sense of the question, it is asking to find out the HCF. I hope, dear friend, you are understanding, because the question is asking that if the more number of the student will seat, then it can be perfect and we can calculate the number of section. Obviously, so let us start. So the two numbers are 576, another number is 448. So it's a time to find out the factorization of it. So dear friends, here let me factorize. First of all, 2 will go, 2 2 ja 4, 17. 2 8 ja 16, 16 2 8 ja 16. Here 2 will go, 144. Again 2 will go, 72. Again 2 will go, 2 3 ja 6, 12, 2 6 ja 12. 2 will go 18, 2 will go 9, 3 will go 3. So this is the factorization. Now 448. So here 2 will go 2 2 4. 2 will go 1 1 2. 2 will go 2 5 ja 10, 12 2 6 ja. Here 2 will go 2 2 ja 4, 16 2 8 ja. 2 will go 14, then 2 will go 7. So here I can say that 576 is written as how many times 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 to the power 6 multiply 3 is 2 times. Now another number is 448 and it is all regarding 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 is there 6 times, multiply 7. So dear friends, according to the question, it is sensing regarding the calculation of HCF. It means HCF we have to calculate. And dear friends, the HCF is all regarding the common number with the lowest power. So 2 to the power 6 is common in both the cases. So HCF will be 2 to the power 6, which is regarding 64. 2 to the power 6 is all regarding 64. Now the question we are going to find out. Find the total number of the section thus formed. It means in each section 64 student will sit. So in one section 64 students will sit. So we can say that for 576 number of section is equal to 576 divided by 64. And another one, for 448 girls, the number of section is equal to 448 divided by 64, and the answer is 7. And for the above case, the answer is 9. So we can say that total number of section will be 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16, and this is the final answer. Dear friends, I hope you have understood this all and you have enjoyed this session also. So now we have come to the end. So I just wanted to say you thank you so much for watching this video. So all of you are requested to like, share and subscribe this channel, and definitely comment for your queries and the doubts whatever you are having. So please, once again, I just wanted to say you thank you so much.